Welcome to Seed to Life. Turmeric powder is famously known as golden medicine. Like every year, this year also I made it from homegrown rhizomes. It is hard to beat the flavor and quality of the turmeric powder made from organically grown rhizomes. This year I made approximately 600 grams of powder, and of course it is not going to be enough for the entire year, but it will last for about 4 to 5 months as we use it every day. Being an Indian household, it is not just a herbal medicine but a basic need of most of our daily dishes. Step 1 is to harvest the rhizomes. It takes about 6 to 9 months for the turmeric rhizomes to get ready for harvesting. As fall approaches, the leaves turn yellow and start falling down, and it is best to harvest the rhizomes before the fall rain starts, as low temperatures of fall coupled with frequent rain can cause rhizomes to rot. Harvesting turmeric rhizomes is super easy. You can just pull the plants off from the soil, and the mature plants are usually loaded with these fragrant rhizomes that you can easily break free from the main stem. I take out the rhizomes for processing but keep the main stem or the root ball as a starter plant for the next year. Washing the rhizomes is the next step. Once you have harvested all the rhizomes, remove any extra soil and wash them thoroughly multiple times. It can be difficult to clean the clumped rhizomes, so I break them into smaller pieces after the first wash. Step 3 is inspecting the rhizomes and boiling. After the rhizomes are washed at least 3 to 4 times, I boil them. You can remove the peel if you like, but that takes up a lot of time, so I just skip that step. I check the rhizomes, and if some of them have dark peel that I don't want, then I just remove them, only those specific rhizomes with a peeler. But most of the rhizomes here, you can see they are looking beautiful golden yellow. Then I just boil them for 20 to 30 minutes, and it cleans the rhizomes thoroughly and increases the shelf life of the final powder. Once the rhizomes are fully cooked, I slice them into thin pieces. It is a time-consuming process but makes grinding easy. Next, I spread the slices on paper towel to dry them out. It takes about 6 to 7 days to get rid of the moisture completely. Once the slices dry thoroughly, you can grind them in a dry grinder. Sift the ground powder to get a fine silky powder of homemade turmeric. You can save the powder in dry airtight containers and it will last for years. Just make sure that the slices are completely dried or dehydrated before grinding. Overall, it is a time-consuming process, but the quality of turmeric is much better than pre-ground powder. The kitchen keeps smelling of the magnificent aroma of fresh turmeric for days. I feel very happy as I make my own turmeric powder. A big thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos, and feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions. I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.